Good afternoon, everyone. So today I'll be presenting Sedaya's efforts in enabling cognitive and smart cities through smart platforms. The Kingdom cities are undergoing a transformation where they are working on leveraging AI and smart platforms to enhance the quality of life and to provide innovative services to their residents. The kingdom is very big, many cities with different environments. Riyadh is very massive. It's the city that undergoes the biggest growth. We have coastal cities like Jeddah and Dammam. We have mountainous cities like Taif. Every city has its own unique urban challenges that needs to be catered for and customized solution for it. So developing the platform is let's say, a complex solution that needs to integrate all these unique aspects. What we worked on in Sedaya is to develop a comprehensive platform to help city stakeholders at different decision makers levels to manage the city, to understand the city, and to provide insights and understanding of it. We worked with various governmental entities to build this platform. We called it Smart C. The C stands for Smart Country, Citizen, and City. Our aim was to, at least we have three main objectives while developing this platform. The first one is to achieve situational awareness so that we have a real-time feed of the state of the city to enable decision makers and operators to act fast whenever an issue happens and even be proactive in solving these issues. The second one is enabling decision makers using these massive real-time data that is gathered to build KPIs, indicators that helps them understand the progress toward our objectives and goals, and tools to simulate actions to understand their impact before implementing them, and enabling them to capture the change of the actions after doing them. The last but not least is to improve the service levels to build more efficient, more interactive, and effective services within the city. The massive growth that cities in the kingdom are undergoing right now leads to many challenges. Challenges in many sectors like congestion, safety, urban landscapes, and so on. These challenges, we at Sedaya worked to, let's say, solve them, or at least enable governmental entities to act into enhancing them. I'll be presenting a sample of cases that we worked on in Sedaya on these sectors, starting with congestion. We developed a platform to understand the state of congestions within cities, to enable to optimize the operations of the city and to allocate resources efficiently. The platform helps decision makers and operators to understand the traffic congestion at the city at the moment, to understand the time lost by commuters within the city, and to understand as well the length of congestions within the road network. The platform also enables drilling down until street level information to see historical information. Also, it gives you the ability to get anomaly detection and notification on these anomalies, to act on them and to solve them as soon as they happen, and sometimes even before. The second solution or use case that we worked on is a use case to manage events, the congestion around the event, to understand the area, and to measure the impact of this event on the major roads around it. This solution also enables the event organizers to understand the visitor experience and how much does it take commuters or visitors of the event to come to the event from various areas of the city. Actually, this platform is currently utilized to manage the traffic in Leap. The second sector that we worked on is safety. We developed a use case to understand danger zones within the city, to continuously compute them and to present them to authorities to take action on them. Danger zones are areas where accidents frequently happen, especially those with injuries and fatalities. This tool enables them to plan the infrastructure investments and place them where it's most effective. The platform always also enables them to understand the seasonalities of these danger zones. So Ramadan, as an example, has danger zones that are very different from any other month in the year. Also, it enables understanding the danger zones in the morning that are different than danger zones in the evening, and their solutions are totally different. Also, it enables them to measure the impact. So wherever they take action on these danger zones, the platform will automatically update and they can see if the problem is resolved or not. Another areas where we worked on is urban landscape, sustainability, and pollution. We developed a use case to monitor green areas within the city to understand the progress towards the goals of making cities more sustainable and greener. This tool enables you to understand the percentage of the city that is containing green areas. It enables you to understand the per capita green areas, the share of per capita green area. And it also has an in-depth analysis of districts, so we can plan the actions and act on the districts that has the least share of green areas. The last use case is a use case where we worked on visual pollution with the municipality or the Ministry of Municipality and Housing. It was an end-to-end project with them where we detected, identified, and monitored the visual pollution elements within the city. The tool enables you to see the geographical distribution of these elements, and it helps you understand the VPI, which is the Visual Pollution Index, and for them to be able to measure their progress towards reducing it. Also, the solution that we developed utilizes computer vision, where we continuously monitor the city and automatically solve or resolve visual pollution elements that got resolved, and also provide evidence or images that confirms the removal of this visual pollution element. These use cases are only a sample of what we work on in Sadaya. This is a platform that we provide to governmental entities, and we're continuing to develop it, and many use cases will be released very soon. We're always committed to building these solutions to achieve sustainable and more effective cities and enhancing the quality of life in these cities. Thank you.